say that no and che ye say 2 months a year Nana Mcbrown efre ye Empress Gifty sanka womo mienu womo nyina ho ani ka onua din kakra mo abrabo no anka womo fan so ani ewo onua showbiz ne so na so eye Empress entimi enyi ne ti ama nti nipa bebre na ama Nana Mcbrown ebe ye kasa bi say anka Empress ntimi ma no owo ne na manka wo so wo frɛ no sa bitum say na agro bi na Nana wodi na so Ghana fo de ensam no say ye de kra ye sugar ne eyi honey begu mana ye de nti ye nyina nim say ebia Nana Mcbrown say ne koba na one Empress nso ewo program na ma de this nketenkete bi hihye suma say there be Empress so epie ewo ohima wo ye je show so wono so de nsam nim details nyina ba ye utie Empress gift ne nkomo ne eye ohima wo ye je boy kra now to me say first a year UTV United Showbiz no ankono na ka Fadda Dickson a person on a year Nana Mcbrown e could take place and some day here my number
right after that no they were still having this back and forth I know boy
I know boy there for you
one more friend will say be yes you don't know why me answer no go for Miss Gianna
me pacho yes if I'm being honest
okay
omo approach him
okay into UTV Empress Gifty say omra eme hosting UTV United Showbiz program no it's so buy and no obia say what no and they suitable for that big seat no
me boss frame me it's that time na me Ghana me we say show na nche me too kwa na me say me need Ghana no so for friend na me need time na me say yes me need time me there na boss ankasa ni say bi ni ho it was okay and the omo be hwehwe program fofora eye programmer ene makwentio anami programs no emba be affecting and I'm accepting
I see nti pe enye se wo schedule na wa na nka wo na o city straight and host United Showbiz oh that's good to know. Right. Nti I know say to quite to say the work kind of schedules no you're very packed. And yeah then now to make it time still to accept the recent You Cook program, yeah.
Okay, let me be honest.
Yeah.
Reason to mama You Cook and say any life.
Okay. Pre-recorded.
Pre-recorded. And also no makes me trabe
since
be go on more pressure and be damage na availability na a woman was so superb for me to do it. It's in a mommy G You Cook ni too and You Cook no so no show be a show at that station or my so they needed a face, they needed somebody or you're too strong bit me now I so okay
now my hook can also for the You Cook and now grow
and pressure
I understand pressure local pressure you know because the studio you know the promo before it you know more day
everything
more just say
Saint no ko bi o tie adwuma na so
ai nti na wa na ifata wo na dem a wo no oh why are
it na me You Cook it was a different challenge for me because now we need different director in fact
it was a new director
yes that is director Roger Courty
okay like, Roger
on
simple
so for you to work with him you know it was be before for me to learn and I'm so proud working with him.
Why are congratulations. I'm proud of you. Oh more friends saying
me were 4
okay
me were me kun my to miss me the 4 girls
when you be want to me no say oh my 4 straight now be obi aka ho
nyame ya adoma emba ye dia obi ama me pressure me obi a pressure dia ma obi ku ade anobo
okay okay nti ebeto ma de bebre ye ho all right yeah share ansana waduane no ebe cause issue by it seems like now Mcbrown it throw shade and the man for capture no mutro yes no one aduane na say binum so ba no bi ni ade I think that there was an artist on the kasa I've forgotten who you heard it
you
want to oh I didn't na internet you so Fred
anybody man who
oh okay
but you see it's part of the game ejuma where do Also buy.
Edepa.
They also buy it.
Edepa. Sentinel kwa bucha yanka hono.
It's funny at the end. When you understand how the game works, when you're offended.
Okay. Funny am personal.
No. Why? Funny am personal. Ube hurt. And at the long line, what's some year there, but people will. Yes. So. Me sua bibi we jime mu we mu say sometimes we bibi also say jam
no bu we nikuso.
So that is what I'm doing.
Okay. All right. Inti say Rebecca na chese okra di kan ko nua ansa na Mcbrown be ko nua o. Inti she di wo to be ana.
Omo de den ye de be ye den. Me de me here na ya alert no me phone so. Me to be that.
To be on.
No. I respect her so much.
Okay. Wouldn't know any issue be never saying that there was an artwork and it just over on the show. So now uncle. What happened?
Emergency.
It was an emergency situation. No, we no man blasted was show.
No, me manager and daily.
Only when daily direct.
No. So
oh, okay.
Manager.
I see. Nana enye se bia nam council ba sa na Fadda Dickson frɛ wo say Empress show no wundumi nkoso san bra because even yet say UTV show na nkasa United Showbiz no guest ni bi wo hɔ a na nkese say mutumi call the other show no so but they were actually kind of banned, kind of stopped, kind of blocked to say hey, there's a barrier you don't go fi go on that show top and na ye can say most this kind of mo feature na friend feature wanana mo feature na say powerful na the man hey don't go here. You can't go. Because if you know your phone to me pay that's a huge envelope no and farmer. Bibi says he said I'm council and the friend was a jaiko.
Me bacha de be that. Sad and crimes and me work program. Bibi sa crimes and
see.
Father wouldn't do that.
Oh yes I won't.
Oh you're too big.
What they ask masses by. We are still here with Empress Gifty aka Mrs. Azo. Yeah. Who could know you're very controversial?
That be controversial.
Many the interview until now that fly oh. There's a bit until now people are sharing reactions, no comments now. Or fire too much, eh? Or fire too much, eh?
Pontis how? One I'm did better now console no and I was okay. Auntie are a nice person.
I see. And personally, no say about bonten den semetes and obey interviews no releasing near ma say government in power no as an some kind or the bonten bash a revealing near ma and na say for no. Na say reaction but social media they only say people would bash you. I mean nkwalani they will be from nowhere. Na omo did not tell ke can send me there. Yes, oh fear how does he react? I mean, I have a reaction to saying at home. Does it affect him morally?
Me kuye uncle for no or caso nim di okon. To we abo say no aka say matu bombo. That is all he will say. Mama ka matu bombo. Na me say near so week you be trend or some trend. And see, I don't even read those things because I know who he is. And I know what he stands for. Oh yes, uncle for none loyalty you can't buy. Or see or call. That is who he is. So I try not to interfere. Say, bano, nejume sema. Yes. The okache me no. Eno na mejitum. Me yere say netem so okay. I think say next time ka we ni say ya ebeboa. Then we move on.
Okay. Sometime we be a video. Be na say you guys your life. Danger more kind of I'm sure because of her husband and the position now how is it now? How safe are you now?
Nyame adom like police for abem and it's a form ka threatening messages now.
So they were sending you threatening messages?
A lot.
I see.
He said
okay. But you were now sympathizing with the NDC and now her husband NPP, right? You used to?
Me too.
Do you still sympathize with
Mommy video?
Because they say, oh, how kind of? We NPP, we NDC. There was not a Afro-Franto.
I want to answer. Mommy video, I say, my issue. Me go promoting.
Me da se se o twen twen twa.